Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sidhi smomstudio. Hello guys. Today we will do general knowledge in this video part 2. Rule 7 questions, 5 seconds answer in comment box. The Nobel Prize was the first ever read in. Answer is 1901. When the Labor Day is celebrated. Answer is May 1. Who is known as the father of space in India? Answer is Vikram Sarabhai. Who is the Iron Man of India? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vidusa, a common character in Sanskrit drama is. Answer is Brahmana. Taranath defeated Odisha at. Answer is Odisha. World highest hockey ground is located in. Answer is Sidhi. Subscribe for part 3. Bye. Do it, like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.